If you think tropical cocktails are all sweet and fruity, then this drink is about to change your mind. What's going on, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can make for the comfort of your home. My name is Briss, and for today we'll be making the Jungle Bird. The Jungle Bird was created in 1978 at the Kuala Lumpur Hilton, which was located in Malaysia. The drink is widely credited to Jeffrey Ong, who was the hotel's beverage manager. The cocktail was reportedly created as a welcome drink for hotel guests at the hotel's aviary bar, which was completely decorated with exotic birds, hence the name Jungle Bird. While the drink was created in the 70s, it would not appear in an actual recipe book until 1989, when it was featured in the New American Bartender's Guide by John J. Poyster. Despite the drink's popularity in Southeast Asia, it actually took it a few decades to break out and gain traction outside of its home country. But today, the Jungle Bird is a fixture on Tiki bar and cocktail bar menus, and it has even inspired the names of bars in multiple cities, including New York and Sacramento. And now, with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to making the drink. So first, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Then we're going to add 1/2 ounce of Demerara Syrup, which is basically like simple syrup, but you're using Demerara cane sugar instead of just regular sugar. So that adds in elements of toffee, caramel, and molasses. Then we'll do 3/4 ounce of Campari. And this is the ingredient that really sets the Jungle Bird apart from other Tiki cocktails, as it is a bitter element. And you really don't see it in any other mainstay, like traditional, popular Tiki drinks outside of the Jungle Bird. So that makes it really unique. And then lastly, we will do 1.5 ounces of dark rum. Then we're going to add ice to our shaker, shake for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then strain into a rocks glass with a fresh block of ice, or just regular ice if you don't have block ice. And then lastly, for our garnishes, we're gonna do a pineapple leaf, a pineapple chunk, which I just bought some pineapple chunks because I was not about to buy an entire pineapple, and slice it up just to make 1 or 2 of these drinks. So pineapple chunks here, and a lime wedge or lime wheel as well. And there we have the Jungle Bird. And now that we have our drink, let's give it a taste. Man, okay. So, when I tell you I'm already a fan of Tiki cocktails in general, but this right here is like definitely top 5. It might even be top 3 after like the Zombie and the Hurricane. It's really, really good. Well, there's also the Mai Tai as well. So yeah, definitely top 5, for sure. So the Jungle Bird is bright and tropical due to the pineapple juice and the lime juice that we use, but it's also balanced out by that rich molasses forward dark rum as our base. And then you have that Campari in there, which gives it that subtle bitter flavor, that herbal complexity, which prevents the drink from being overly sweet. Overall, it's a refreshing, tropical drink with just enough bitterness to keep things interesting. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching this week's episode. Please drink responsibly, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.